the bottle, I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and it away. I ain't f***ing okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat.
Hello and welcome to another video. Here we're going to be documenting our journey of the great American apocalyptic road trip. Here we're in Denver and we're at Raising Cane's. Oh fuck, I did it again. Anyway, just enjoy the video. I like to do like double or triple sets, so I'm doing some presses, I'm doing some overhead presses, and I'm also doing some bicep curls and also some lunges. I just like to keep the pump and the blood flow going. It just works with my body best, and I noticed the best gains, and I go for that like running physique. I go for like soccer, and I go for like gains, you know. Just working on getting that nice lean tone to my body. So that's what we're working on right now. Alright, let's go out tonight. Yo, what the fuck is the darkest shit out here?
Oh.
This is zombie apocalypse.
We're in the apocalypse.
What the fuck? We gotta get out of here. Run, Jerry.
Conquest, I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts like jumping off of that rooftop. Oh, my devil, when I do nothing.
There's no power.
Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yours, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. I'm full of stage, I'm running my pain. I see sun coming out of that rain. My day really my game. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. I'm stuck inside this prison, inside this cave. It's taking over. I'm a slave for you.
We just worked out at
hold on.
Flex
Start over.
Fitness. This is part of the vlog. And so what was your result on Flex Fitness? Did they have good staff?
She was great to the person.
Yeah, well, $5 will get you personal training in a small Wyoming town. There's no service in the town. There's a snowstorm going through in September, Wyoming. Yeah, the highway's closed.
Yeah, some are literally.
I-80 is closed. So, you know, we're in a little town where I'm pretty sure Stephen King writes about these towns and people get murdered in them. So we got to our hotel, the power went out, now we're on our way to get some, what are we getting? Because we're hungry. Jeremy's been training because he's a professional athlete. Now we're gonna go fill up our bodies with some good food. Power.
Because
None of the town has power right now. We named our trip the Great American Apocalyptic Road Trip, and it's been nothing but storms, blizzards, power outages, storm damage. No zombies come out because
that's nice. We're not in the mood for zombies.
But we're gonna go get some Mexican food too. And we got our food. Got Jeremy's food.
Well, I'm bringing
I got my spicy seafood and we're gonna chow it up.
On fire.
There's people coughing everywhere. It's COVID. Oh my god, I think everybody's coughing in here. I think COVID is.
So it is September 9th. We're on the road. We got some coffee. We got the captain in the pilot seat. Look at him going with his little hat right there, and he was focused on the road right now. But he says he's grumpy.
Yeah, we have to go back. We have to go back to Salt Lake here, as you can see.
So
we had to backtrack, and we're making terrible time. We gotta go across the whole country.
Because what happened? Did the road get closed down again?
Truman Show.
We think we're in the Truman Show because every time we decide on a plan, it gets shut down, or some unexpected road closure, or a tornado warning happens. So we're like, hey, maybe we can't even get across the country. Could be Truman Show. So we're looking for a new plan. Maybe to go to Denver today and around the bottom, a little bit longer of a route. We're gonna make it happen. Let's go.
So I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able to climb without a fall, to get out of this maze and run. Please strike me thunder, let me get closer to the light. Please strike me thunder, so I can be free. So I've come to the conclusion, I'm just one man amongst thousands. In this world I'll allow them, sure they'll do fine without me. The chemicals in my head don't work as yours, 'cause every piece of road is a little bit of happiness. Every kind of
What the fuck? That was gnarly and badass and amazing.